You're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through both of those loops. That is what makes the single crochet. Insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull that loop through the chain, yarn over, and draw through both loops. You can do this all the way across, or however many times you're instructed to do. And it's a real simple stitch. Yarn over and draw through both of the loops. Single crochet.